Hello everybody! Today's theme is cooking time. So we will be looking at different things we use when we cook. Are you ready? Let's start. Plate, plate. Plates, plates. Mug, mug. Jar, jar. Dish, dish. Meat, meat. Meat ball, meatball. Pasta, pasta. Pizza, pizza. Cheese, cheese. Sauce, sauce. Spice, spice. Food, food. Eat, eat. Fantastic! Now let's do it faster. Plate, plate. Plates, plates. Mug, mug. Jar, jar. Dish, dish. Meat, meat. Meatball, meatball. Pasta, pasta. Pizza, pizza. Cheese, cheese. Sauce, sauce. Spice, spice. Food, food. Eat, eat. Great! Are you ready for a little game? I'm going to call out a word and you need to choose the matching card. Listen carefully. Plates, plates. Excellent. Spice, spice. Terrific. Sauce, sauce. Well done. Eat, eat. Nice work. Meat, meat. Incredible. Mug, mug. Very good. Meatball, meatball. Terrific. Now we are going to do a memory game. Remember where these cards are. I'm going to call out one word, and you need to point at the right card. Are you ready? Look for jar. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Where is jar? Did you find it? Yes, you did! Good job! Now look for pasta. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Where is pasta? Could you find it? Yes, you could! Good work! Now look for dish. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Where is dish? Did you find it? Yes, you did! Great job! Now look for food. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Where is food? Could you find it? Yes, you could! Fantastic! Now look for cheese. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Where is cheese? Did you find it? Yep, you did. Nice work. Thank you for studying cooking time with me today. One final question. What do you put on a pizza?